Good evening to you all watching in, and good evening to you, Ron Atkinson, with me.
Cheers, gentlemen. Glad to be here.
Well, I can see the players are ready for the kickoff, so let's get on with the game. Goes outside. Into touch. Early scare for the keeper. It was easy in the end.
It's a good save, keeps them level, and the game's still on a knife edge.
In the middle. Moves it on. Played on. He finds some space. Ooh!
Oh, the keeper rightly deserves a pat on the back for that save. It was wonderful. Let's put him in front, Jonathan, and I'll tell you what, the lad's every right to feel pleased with himself. That was a great goal.
Let's have a look at the replay. There was always going to be goals in this match, but I didn't expect one so early. Played on. Oh, it's tight for him here.
He was right to take the chance, but it didn't pay off.
Hits it into space. Oh, he's missed! Oh, he's got men to the left. And that's missed the goal! Played square. Played on. Moves it on. About 30 yards out. He hardly had to move. There's men free on the left. Plays the ball into space. He runs into space. Moves it on. Thumps the ball up the pitch. His awareness, his timing in the challenge is second to none. Into touch. Well, after a half-time break, I can see the players are ready, so let's get on with it. Smacks it into touch. Moves it on. Played on. Played on. That was never going to trouble this keeper. Under pressure. Takes him on now. Played on. Heads it on up the field. Moves it on. Oh, tremendous save by the keeper. Brings it away. Short ball. Out wide. Moves it on. Plays it short and square. Short pass. He finds some space.
He's entitled to enjoy his celebration.
Let's have a look at the replay. They'll be looking to get a goal back quickly if they want anything out of this game. He places the ball. Moves it on. Play on, says the ref. On the edge of the box.
Cracking shot. The keeper did well to block it. Goal kick.
The goalkeeper's reflex is still sharp as a pin at this late stage. That's a great stop. Good tackle. And that's a goal kick. Five minutes left on the clock. Passes to his captain. Good save! I think the referee's given it, you know. I wouldn't want to be taking this one. The pressure must be immense.
What a fantastic goal!
He's got his hat-trick, and he's also got a free football at the end of the match.
Replay that goal and have a look. The celebrations are over, the players are back in their position. Well, that's about it then from us. I've just had the fact on Atkinson. I bid you all a very good night.